This is my honest review of Bizewo 4-in-1 automatic stainless steel steamer for coffee. In case you may consider buying it, I will leave a link in description for you to access it on Amazon. This electric milk frother can help you get that cafe experience from home. Functions of panel buttons are hot dense foam, hot airy foam, cold milk frother, and heating milk. Its frother function can produce warm foam and cold foam, and the steamer function is awesome for getting the milk to an appropriate 150 temperature. It's a hot chocolate maker as well as tea latte creator. This milk steamer will make your drink taste much better than just using hot water in your tea. It has a compact humanized design. Compared to the detachable or handheld design, this automatic milk foam maker is easy to use. You only need to tap the dense foam functional modes on the touchscreen panel, which produces 95% longer lasting dense froth and less liquid. It is quick and convenient to operate. This electric milk foamer helps people who have zero experience as a barista. With different functions, it will give you the greatest flexibility as you prep your drinks. It is also easy to clean since it is made from non-stick stainless steel, which is easy to pour and wash. Now you don't have to spend a lot of time cleaning this foam maker that is very convenient for busy women. Last but not least, offers a big capacity share. This stainless steel jug can froth up to 8.5 ounces of milk at once or heat milk or chocolate up to 20 ounces. If you love it, check out the link in description.